How can I automate my bid adjustments in my MSL PPC campaigns? I would ask you, why do you want to automate and what is the problem that you're hoping to solve? Why am I asking you this? Is because I love AI, I love automation, I love everything that I can do it in less amount of time while still generating the same output, more output, or even better output. Now, when it comes down to automating bid adjustments, that is something that even us in the agency are not doing. Again, I don't have anything against softwares. I have friends who have these softwares that they are basically helping brands automate their bidding system. And by using that software, you're going to be optimizing quicker and negating quicker and so on and so forth. So I understand that aspect as well. But usually whenever someone is asking, how can I automate bid adjustments, they look for shortcuts, easy fix, something that is going to take away the thinking process and strategy process. And that's really important, because even if you are going to go with a software that's going to help you with bid adjustments, modifications, and even keyword negation and so on, it's really important that you still know you have to be the judge and strategist behind that software. So if you want to go to automate your bids, give it a try, see how it's going to work. But just keep in mind that automation itself is not going to guarantee that you're going to be successful in managing more profitable your ads or in increasing your sales, especially in increasing your sales. Usually this type of question is coming from people who, how do I spend less? How do I become more profitable? They're not asking, how do I generate more market share for my brand?